How to back up notes in Evernote. Well, hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, let me guide you the steps on how you can back up notes in Evernote. Well, to back up notes, what you can do is you can either duplicate it within Evernote. However, to set it as a proper backup, what you can do is you can download it onto your device and save it either as a PDF file or HTML file. Now, how you can do that? Open up the note that you would like to back up. Once you have opened it up, what you want to do is you want to tap on the three dots there at the top right of the note, and you should find the option that says print. Click on it. Once you click on print, you'll get the option to save as PDF here, as you can see. So you can either select one note on desktop, or you can see more, and you can either save it as PDF, Microsoft Print to PDF and such, but you can select PDF here, and then pages you can select, and then you can select the layout. Then proceed to tap on more settings, and you can check the number of pages, background graphics and such, and then proceed to tap on save, and it'll be saved as a PDF onto your laptop. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.